Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Theodore, and in this first video, I'll show you how to sharpen a knife using Japanese whetstones. We'll go through the basics step by step, nothing too technical, just clear and simple tips to get you started. If you enjoy tools, cooking, or just love a razor-sharp blade, hit that subscribe button and let's get into it. The first thing to do is soak the stone in water and leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes or until bubbles stop coming out. The knife I will use today is a Santoku, which is currently well sharpened. Now I'm going to dull the knife so we can sharpen it again. I'm testing the knife now to make sure it doesn't cut. Now you need to find the correct sharpening angle, which is around 15 degrees for Japanese knives. I personally start sharpening from the heel to the tip. We sharpen the knife in 4 or 5 sections to make it easier. After every set, I check for the burr. If there is no burr along the entire length of the cutting edge, I continue. I check again for burr. Once we are sure that there is a burr along the entire length of the cutting edge, we begin to remove it. After we have removed the burr, we can test the sharpness of the knife with paper to see if there is a result after sharpening to 1000 grit. If there is, we can move on to the next step, namely 3000 grit. Now we start looking for a micro burr that we need to feel with our fingers. It is significantly harder to feel than the previous one at 1000 grit. When I feel there is a burr, I start sharpening the other side of the knife. Now I start removing the burr after sharpening to 3000 grit. Once we are sure that we have removed the burr, we can do a paper test and see the result. Now we can start putting the finishing touches on our new cutting edge. For this purpose, I will use a leather strop with a polishing paste on it to remove the smallest imperfections from the cutting edge. After we finish using the leather SDRP, we can do a final test of the new cutting edge using paper, and if we have done our job well, we can just enjoy the moment. That's it for today. Hope you found this video helpful. If you liked it, leave a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and let me know in the comments if you've tried Japanese whetstones yourself. Thanks for watching. See you next time.